The commercial vehicle industry is moving fast. Here are some of the top headlines right now. First, Isuzu is tackling one of the industry's biggest challenges, finding qualified technicians. The company has launched the Isuzu Veterans Apprenticeship Program, connecting transitioning service members and veterans with careers at Isuzu dealerships through paid hands-on training. It's a win for both veterans and dealerships looking to strengthen their service teams. Next, Ford Pro is expanding its 5-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty to include the Ranger, Maverick, and E-Transit for eligible fleet customers. The added coverage is designed to reduce repair costs, improve uptime, and give businesses even more confidence in their fleet vehicles. And finally, Merchants Fleet is expanding its partnership with Pep Boys to strengthen its nationwide maintenance network. The expanded partnership aims to improve access to maintenance, reduce downtime, and improve the overall service experience for fleets. Stay ahead of the industry. Read the full stories now at CVBNetwork.com.